2 years ago on this night, I described you as dreamers, doers, hardworking, freedom-loving, compassionate, and strong. Tonight, I believe in that more than ever before. Thank you for trusting me yet again to be your voice in Washington and to fight for you and your families in the United States House of Representatives. Tonight, the voters of Central Kentucky sent a resounding message. They rejected the failed policies of Kamala Harris and the radical left. They said no to the reckless spending and overregulation that have fueled skyrocketing inflation. They said no to the open border policies that are endangering our communities. They said no to the war on American energy that's crushing American families at the grocery store and at the gas pump. They said no to a foreign policy that abandons our allies and appeases our enemies. And they said yes to a vision of a stronger, safer, more prosperous America. But friends, this victory isn't just about me or my race, it's about the future of our nation. I had the honor of serving as President Trump's Kentucky campaign chairman, and thanks to your incredible work, your unwavering support, and your love for this country, we delivered the Commonwealth of Kentucky for Donald Trump in a landslide victory. From Henry Clay to Mitch McConnell to Hal Rogers, we've helped guide this nation through challenging times. Tonight, you've given me the honor of carrying that tradition forward, and I couldn't be more grateful. To my constituents in the 6th Congressional District, whether you've supported me for years, just voted for me for the very first time, or voted for my opponent, I will make you this promise. I will never stop fighting for you. I will never stop working to earn and keep your trust. And I will never forget that I work for you. To every veteran here tonight and across America, you signed up to defend freedom. You put your lives on the line. This Republican Congress and President Trump have your back. Under President Trump's leadership, America will be respected again. We will stand with our allies like Israel. We will strike fear into our enemies. We will stand up to the generational challenge of the Chinese Communist Party. No more projecting weakness on the world stage. When America leads with strength, the world is a safer place.